Thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe and like for more content like this.
You guys will not believe how impossible and hard this cabin filter replacement was.
Hey guys, thank you for watching Automotive. This is a video on how to change a cabin filter on a 1999 CRV. This was one of the hardest jobs I've done so far to my CRV, and that's because I didn't have the right tools. So with the right tools, your life can be a lot easier. Anyways guys, I want to thank you guys for watching these videos, but I really hope that you guys find it easy to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because 98.7% of you guys do not subscribe, which is unfortunate, because I really do try hard to make these videos happen. But other than that, I'm really thankful for the rest that do. I hope you guys have a good holidays. I hope you guys are safe, and remember, always be thankful of what you have, because there's a lot more people out there that don't have anything anywhere near what you have.
Alright guys, so once we take the door down, we're gonna unscrew that Phillips, this Phillips head, and there might be another one down here. So don't be scared to pull it. So just pull it out and this whole piece will come out. So grab your 8mm, take those screws off. And now you want to grab your 10mm and hit those. Now after you remove these two screws, you can pull this back. There's that bolt right there, and you want to loosen that one up too. Okay, and might be easier if you do it with a socket and a ratchet, but right now I don't have any of that. I hate myself for forgetting that stuff, but let's get this away. Ouch. Too hard. This is really hard to do with only one hand. You're gonna have to get those two 8mm bolts right down there. Okay, I'm gonna put the phone down, guys, and once I'm done with that, we'll move on to the next step. Guys, make sure you have a ratchet to unloosen those two, man. Oh my god, it was the hardest thing ever. Took me maybe like 30 minutes just to get them with the wrench. Okay, so we're finally,
Once you get these two bolts right here in the 10mm, the whole strut should fall down after that.
you just pull it out, and I'm pretty sure this thing hasn't been replaced in so long, as you can tell. And this thing is disgusting. We'll go wash this off. So we finally washed this thing as good as we could. We have the cabin filter here. Okay, look, you see where it says airflow? This one says airflow pointing down too. So just make sure that the airflow goes pointing the direction that this one is going. What you guys can do to make it smell really good is spray some of this on it. So just spray it towards the airflow, or maybe we'll spray it here. And maybe we'll just spray some here too. Hoping that doesn't give me cancer, but okay. Now let's go over here. Make sure you know how you took it out. Okay, airflow points towards the dash, towards the... Look at that. Man, I wish I had something to clean all that off with, but I don't. Well, that's really dirty. Okay, well, let's just stick it back in. Arrows point that way, okay? So then let's go ahead and put this back on. Repeat the process. I'll get back to you guys when I finish it. All right, guys, so I'm finished here with the air filter. Make sure you put your cap back on and you're good to go. Now, I struggled so much just to get this bar back up and to put those bolts back there. So I was sticking my hand in through here, right through this little gap. But guys, it's so much easier. You just go back here and reach them. See, you might not have that much room, especially if you have big old fat hands like me, but all you have to do is just push it back like that. I'll show you an example. Bring in your wrench from back here. Now it should be these are 8mm, okay? You bring in your wrench and you just do that. I didn't have a ratchet. It would have been so much easier with a ratchet, but I don't have it. So we're finished up. Now I'm just gonna put these tabs back on here, and then that's it, guys. You are done. So I'll show you how to put one, at least. Make sure that it's on the right one. I'll put it on there. And just, there you go. See? Nice and easy.
Guys, if this video has helped you in any way, please give it a like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I hope to see you guys on the next one.